In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to draw a circle in Tradingview. By the end, you'll be able to highlight any area on your chart with a clean, customizable circle, perfect for marking zones, callouts, or areas of interest. Start by opening your browser and going to tradingview.com. From the homepage, look along the top navigation bar and click on Products. In that menu, choose Super Charts. This opens the full charting interface where all the drawing tools live and where we'll place our circle. Once the chart loads, focus on the left side panel. This is your drawing toolbar. Find the brush icon. It's the gateway to the freehand and shape tools. Click the brush to expand its options, then select circle. When the circle tool is active, your cursor changes, letting you know you're ready to draw. Now move your cursor to the exact spot on the chart where you want the center of the circle to be. Click and hold, then drag outward to expand the circle to your desired size. Release the mouse to set it in place. If it's not quite right, don't worry. You can fine-tune it in a moment. To edit the circle, simply click on it. When it's selected, a small set of tools will pop up. This is where you can customize the look and feel so it matches your chart style and communicates clearly. You can change the outline color to make the circle stand out, adjust the line thickness for a bolder or subtler look, and tweak the opacity if you want to see more of the price action beneath it. You can also add text, which is handy for labeling what the circle is highlighting, like a breakout zone or an earnings reaction. If you need the circle to be more eye-catching, enable a background fill, then adjust the color and transparency so it emphasizes the area without overwhelming the chart. Take a moment to preview your changes. Consistent colors and clear labels help keep your chart readable, especially if you plan to share it or refer back later. When you're satisfied with how it looks, click OK to apply your changes and close the settings. That's all there is to it. You went to TradingView, opened Super Charts, selected the brush, chose the circle tool, placed it where you needed, dragged to set the size, and customized it with color, text, and background before confirming with OK. Use this approach anytime you want to quickly spotlight key areas on your charts with a clean, professional look.